state barrier. Anya no mo se fiada na ye state barrier.
No correct.
Jua say Monday and Sunday no mo ye Muslims for Indian. Sunday and no here 3 days adwa. No so no mo ye. Na NDC for na mo wa ban mu asem atoma ye nyina mo na muti ayipa so ye nyina aye aboa mo no mati asi social media say mo chi NPP for small boys.
Hi guys, this is Fast or Fast on Ghana TV. Do like, share and subscribe. Guys, Ellen, who happens to be a communication member for the New Patriotic Party, has been reacting to the arrest of the NPP communicators on social media. Guys, let me jog your memory. Sir Obama Pokuase at 5 a.m. Ghana time was arrested in a Rambo style. Guys, the police have confirmed in a statement you have right there that they picked him up indeed to assist them in investigation. Guys, apparently, Sir Obama Pokuase posted a video where some people were brandishing gun and, of course, displaying all manner of weapons in a particular event and a trifle as well. So, Ghana police is insisting that he needs to assist them with investigation, but the people of social media are reacting to the manner and the approach Ghana Police Service used to, arrest Sir Obama Pokuase. Prior to that, just yesterday, 2 TikTok stars, Fante Comedy and one lady called Jollof Rice or Abuna Jollof or whatever, was arrested. They were handcuffed by the police. Now, the issue is that they hosted a live session where somebody who is outside the country had a lot to say about President Muhammad and the fact that, some comments that were being distasteful. Now, Fante Comedy came out to apologize and, of course, asked the lady, apparently, on the live session to retract that statement and apologize. But the lady said she wouldn't do that. Now, the person apparently who shared the video has not, did not,
but
I beg your pardon, did not publish the part where Fante Comedy was requesting the lady who made those advances to retract.
Baby, now go ya pamocho mo fanche me ai me kabibi na anya me da me na me host to ya mo fanche me mo fa ne se mo ba e na mane agu mo nan so mo ba pepa mo ntwa ye nyina ye nipa ba ko yan we si wo emfa mo bia. Why? We dey madofo minuanom mo amo NDC me pamocho mo fanche me. Why?
So now police have invited them, and in fact they were detained from yesterday until today. Guys, people of social media have been reacting to this particular arrest. Now, Ellen, who happens to be the communication member of the New Patriotic Party, does not seem to understand why the NDC government will do that at this point in time when the whole country is mourning. According to her, she is just assisting the NDC to mourn their stalwarts of the party. So how come a party which is bereaved will have the time and go and arrest their own people? These are some of the comments she's been making into that video. Let me run you through Akosia Menu. Akosia Menu is a member of the New Patriotic Party and a former parliamentary candidate for the people of Adenta. Now, Akosia Menu has been reacting to the arrest of Sir Obama Pokuase. Let me read. Breaking into someone's home at 5 a.m. and picking him up like he's some criminal on the run is so crude. Free Sir Obama Pokuase. Now,
I'm saying I may share who fay. I'm saying another and put the black account can be another man who's out shaped to man. Where jai tuntum ni she
ti ya ukuada asem isi enane na awotwe
man de na
ushi amina me bodu me she tuntum ti se akanni ba na mejai
aden na
mejai because omo na asem ato omo mo ma min chietiafo min chietiafo
yes
omo hwe nyina obi anim se me NPP ni enya ade a mimi de asi NPP ina ye nuanu NDC fo no ye ne ato omo opewu mpewu me ya political animal Omo mpanyimfo 5 enye nkwala o mpanyimfo party stalwarts 5 ena sojafo servicemen miensa oyene atom asemi tu ye nyina fiti ukuada which is a utia now yam crash. Esuma yemu bi esu. Mi ami ni apenyi Titus Glover. Nyamo haya no better na esu.
Yeah.
Enti ye nyina ya calm me down. Eneja ye ebedi Dr. Baomi achi mi nya akwanya mi di na chi ma ne kokoche aye. Eye bi nyina ye esu.
Yes.
Ye ni abria concentration wo esu no ho aye nyina ye ni abri se ye nuanum ye mpa omo state barrier anya no mo se fiada na ye state barrier.
No correct.
Jua say Monday and Sunday no mo ye Muslims for ne dia. Sunday o. Ah enra ye 3 days adoa. No so no mo ye. Na NDC for na mo wa ban mu asem atoma ye nyina mo na muti ayipa so ye nyina ye aboa mo no mati asi social media asem mo chi NPP for small boys ne small girls draw attention no from a year na ye no na wo na me beboa wa asu no wo mu wati asi mo chi nkrofo a na me problem ne sen enti eye no me so mo awie
but say what reasons in tia one more international
by Friday ni awie state funeral no
yes
nipa no munwane yu omo kasa ansem na mo pesa mo chi omo no omo nwane ye enti muntimi ntwen ema ye nyina ya dwen ko bankuro mu enye ne yesese yeye na se mo be chi omo adwo adama chi omo enne aye nyina ye gina nkran ni mu aye tutu no mo na fa mo ho no mo na mo nkrofo awu mo na mo abusuafo yes ye nyina Ghana fo de but obi be kan ye tie kire na o tie yipa so na asem ato wonu wa hwire sim enne homachi makose Obama Pokuase fie akọkire na ebubu ni dan o mo nko patros mo wen ebubu ni dan akire na no pay
se Obama
biribi was social media etina mi ma so mi no a eja mi NPP na nka Obama na munim ni na se Obama Pokuase young boy na owo social media na oye we no okasa no e ma party makọkire na homachi.
No, but I sought to find out from Shamima, no, just say it's not the right time to comment.
As a government, no, no, say it's not the right time. We say you near Dr. Baumia, NPP for you, say na yomofe. Ghana for you na fe. Dr. Baumia, dear, on this no city and yadia, Obeka say ye won't call, and now he still insists to say, ye say. Ye ni omo baba ye mu bi no so ye so ba ye different. Won na fa wo ho no, say won na mo chichimi nuanu ma, nya de a me ba buduku. I feel kuntumkuni abetena ha because wona ye wasem na mfa ho enti nyame boa
man who comes back to type this. Sir Obama was allegedly picked up for sharing this video, bringing to the public's attention persons wielding weapons who are neither police or military personnel. None of them have been arrested. I certainly wouldn't be surprised if they have state protection. This is the allegation by Akosua Menu. Now, Akosua Menu is also of the view that since Ghana police is saying that yes, we arrested him to assist us in investigation, then why will you arrest him in that manner? Why will you break his doors in that manner? Guys, I'll put down the images right there so that you appreciate how devastating his room is at this point. They broke the room and went there, handcuffed him allegedly, and took him away. Now, according to Akosua Menu, you claim you need information to assist your investigation. Couldn't you have just invited him to assist in investigations? To assist in investigations, does it come in handcuff? So she's asking, to assist somebody or the police in investigation, does it have to do with any handcuffs? Shaking my head, she says. Guys, people have been reacting to this particular one. And of course, the way and manner the whole issue is, now it has taken a political twist. Now, some side or section of Ghanaians who are most likely NDC seem to agree with national security for taking such a decision. Apparently, Sir Obama Pokuase picked the pictures from social media that has already been circulating. It is not the case that he manufactured that video, but the videos have been online for some time. So all that he was doing is to bring to the attention of the public and probably the police. As we speak, Sir Obama Pokuase is in police custody. Guys, this is really getting serious. It is getting serious and tensed in this country. This was on Facts on Ghana TV. Let me know what you think about this new development. Is the attempt of the national security to arrest Sir Obama Pokuase the right way to go? Let me know what you think.